Sa gitna ng patuloy na alegasyong iligal ang pag-aresto kay FPRRD, binigyang diin ng isang opisyal ng DOJ na sinunod nila ang tamang proseso at binigyan ng tamang pagtrato na angkop sa isang dating pangulo. Narito ang report. Isa si Prosecutor General Richard Fadulion sa mga sumalubong kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte paglabas ng eroplano mula Hong Kong noong March 11. Si Fadulion ang inatasang maghain ng Miranda rights sa dating Pangulo pero hindi ito nangyari.
The request was not a very difficult request that was made. And since it was the President's party and the President himself who had requested for it, we felt that, well, if they feel that it would be done more conveniently elsewhere, then it's something that would we acceded to doing.
Kaya mula NAIA Terminal 3, dinala ang kampo ni Duterte sa Villamor Air Base. Pero sa halip na si Fadulion, si PNP CIDG Chief Nicolas Torre ang nagbasa ng karapatan ni Duterte.
The reading of the Miranda rights, as far as my understanding is that it's supposed to be done by the apprehending or arresting officers. And I told him that the purpose why the Department of Justice prosecutors were there was to ensure that the implementation of the arrest of the former president was done in a manner where his rights are protected. I would be quite sure now that that would be one of the questions that would be raised if I had proceeded to read the president his rights.
Pinabulaanan din niya ang mga paratang na kinidnap ang dating Pangulo at hindi inasikaso ang kanyang medikal na pangangailangan. Paliwanag niya, siniguro lamang nila ang seguridad ni Duterte.
Considering that it was quite a delicate situation because you were implementing a warrant of arrest as against the former president. So to that extent, he was afforded that convenience just to afford him the respect of being a former president of the Republic.
Pinuna din ng Prosecutor General ang maling paggamit ng Article 59 ng Rome Statute bilang depensa ng Duterte camp. Nakapaloob doon ang pagpresenta kay Duterte sa isang judicial authority.
Considering that according to them, it was the President's act himself of withdrawing the country from our withdrawal from the ICC, and as a result of which, you cannot now invoke the very same statute from which you had withdrawn.
You are referring to yourself as a competent judicial authority if Article 59 of the Rome Statute would be invoked.
Yes, that would be correct, ma'am.